Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can read by today's title, it is about the most common mistakes you do on Instagram caption. I have also done it. You might have also be doing it. And if you have a business account on Instagram and you want to do Instagram marketing, so please do watch this video. So the very first mistake that I see very common, that is putting irrelevant hashtag. I used to do it. Actually, I'll tell you what, if you have a personal account and you don't want to grow, you just want to show your photos, your life to your friends and your family, so that's fine. You can just keep it in your private account. You don't need to put any captions or anything. However, if you want to grow on Instagram, if you want to do Instagram marketing, stop putting emojis, stop putting quotes, stop putting one-liner or anything. However, you should actually talk about things that your audience will like, things that is relevant to your post. So just don't put a post and something irrelevant captions, or just putting hashtags, or just putting emojis. So rather than just think about your customers or think about your audience when you put your captions on your Instagram and then publish it. So people who want to connect with you will of course like the post. They will of course read all the caption because they are your followers, genuine followers who like what you post, who like your tips, who like what you share, which makes them, connected with you. So always put captions which are relevant to you, your post and your audience. Also, stop putting random information if you want to grow on Instagram and if you're doing Instagram marketing. So stop putting random information. Plan your content calendar properly. Plan everything out. I don't want you guys to post every day. It's not necessary. At least post 2 to 3 times a week, and always plan it out before publishing it. Just don't plan it the day you want to publish it. So at least have 2 weeks ka batch ready to just publish it, and you can then make 2 weeks later ka plan. So this is how it works on social media. So do follow that. Also put caption keeping your customers in mind. Put caption for them and not for you. Okay, so the second mistake that I see is not putting a hook. Of course, that is the first line which comes to whenever you open up Instagram, and if your friends have posted, people who inspire you, they post some picture and you will just see, I believe, a line or something on the caption, and then you have to select on more and you will just see the rest of the caption. So for that, what you can do is that is the main line which your customer or your audience sees first. So there should be a hook. There should be something which creates a curiosity in your audience, your followers. They want to see what you have written on your the whole post or the whole caption. So they want to click on more. So create that hook in your caption wherein people want to read your caption. So that could be, I'll share something here from my Instagram caption, and you can just see how I create. There are many YouTubers, there are many Instagrammers who are creating, or the content creators we call. So they do stuff like that and they get a lot of engagement. Okay, the third mistake that I see, it is super common because it is about spacing. Spacing is the most important. Whether you put 4 lines, put some spacing. Why? I'll tell you, because it makes the caption look good. Like, it is very easy to read when you have all that together, and people will not read your caption for sure, because it makes it very much, it looks like you have put a lot. So YouTubers, even on their description, and Instagrammers in their caption, they actually put a spacing. You guys might have tried putting space, but it does not, Instagram does not give you that spacing thing. But there are online websites which help you put that spacing in between. So you just have to search on Google, search it as Instagram spacer, and you'll get maybe the first which comes on the search engine. You can just take that and just put the way you want your caption to be, how much spacing you need. So just set it, copy, and then paste it over here, and it will look really good. I can show you one of my example if I can on the screen, and you can just see, and it really works, guys. So you just have to copy paste it from that website. That's it. The fourth mistake that all of you guys do, I have even done it in my past, that is not putting CTA. CTA is call to action. That should be at the end of your caption, like what outcome you want from this caption or from this post. So you have to actually put that CTA on, on your caption. Then only people will do it for you, right? If you want the people to, download any freebie, you have put it on the link, or you want people to visit your website or anything, so you can just say at the end of the caption you can just say visit the website for more, or something like that, which actually gives people a reason to visit your website, right? So if you are putting up a video and you want that people to read that blog or something, so you can ask them to just read the blog, the link is in the bio, something like that, right? So or else you want someone to download your freebie and you have that link in your bio. The same way you can just say ask them to you can download a freebie, or you can just download this PDF from the link in the bio, right? So something like that. So your audience will of course click on the link because they liked your post. That's why they are reading the whole caption. And if they are reading the whole caption, they will of course click on the link because they want to know more, right? So you can also, if there are some Instagrammers or people who are doing Instagram marketing, they actually put a line at the end, like just put a yes on the comment section. I also do it. If you like the content, if you learned something new today, just put it thumbs up or something in the caption. So this actually creates engagement. So you can follow this kind of CTA in your caption, and it is very helpful. Trust me, it has worked for my brand. It will work for you as well. Okay, so the last mistake that I see is not putting a deep link. This is not relevant to caption, however it is, like I have mentioned in my last point, that is CTA. So if you put a post which is like, click on the link for the, click on the, what the hell, click on the bio for the link. So if you put a link of your YouTube channel and people click on it to just view your YouTube channel or something, this is just a tip for my end, and it is very important, which I actually learned last week and I was like, wow, I needed this. So you can create a deep link as in, if people click on that link and they will go to your YouTube channel, however they will go from a browser, so people have to sign in and then they can view the content and all that, and they won't be able to subscribe it, right? So they can just view the video, but they won't be able to subscribe. So what deep link does is, it automatically gives them the permission to go to YouTube, and already they have signed in into YouTube, right? So they can just click on the subscribe button then and there. If it goes to the browser, which when we don't put deep link, if it goes from the browser, people will not sign in. I also don't. I know many of you guys won't. Just to subscribe, you won't sign in or something. So always put a deep link. So to create a deep link, I got to know about this website called URL Genius. So you just Google it and you'll get that link. You'll get that website. Click on it, and then it will ask you to sign up, and you just have to put your link, and it will generate a URL Genius deep link, which will actually, if you click on it, it will directly take you to the YouTube page. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and if you have any question related to this mistakes, how to put captions and anything related to Instagram caption, put it in the comment section. I would love to reply. Bye.